What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be just showing you around the farm, the main things. So this is a blueberry farm. You've probably seen the tour on Punjabi Vlogger's channel. He made one when he came here around 2 years ago. I'm just gonna show you like what I think is cool, what I've never seen in like Brampton or whatever. So yeah, let's go. First we have chickens. So these are the older chickens. Pretty sure they were here when I came 8 years ago. Same chickens. Now, so this is the blueberry picking machine. Last time I came, like 7 years ago, they used to pick it by hand, but now they use the machine. So I'll show you that in one of the vlogs too, where the machine comes on top. It goes in between both lanes and then just shakes the plant, and then the blueberries fall off. So let's go to the other chickens now. Here we have the newer younger chickens. Let me show you. Look at these, they're the black. Look at them. Hey, you guys good? Okay, get to work, get the eggs going. I need breakfast tomorrow. Yeah, so these are the chickens. And let me just show you their garden. They have an amazing garden. Look at this peach. There's so many peach trees. I don't even know what half these plants are, if I'm being honest, but look at this. Plum. Grapes, I think. And all these plants. So they got raspberries. I mean, these are blackberries. There was raspberries here. Raspberries are here. I don't know if you can see any. There are raspberries as well. Let's see. Grapes. Green. Then they got the big peaches here. Look how huge these peaches are. They're huge. The size of an apple, probably bigger. Oh, look at this one. Huge. We have a peach tree in the backyard and they look nothing like this. So as you can see, the sprinklers are on here giving water, so I'm gonna get wet. Oh my god. No, stop, please. Oh, oh my god. You see what I do for you guys? But yeah, so no idea what this is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Oh my god, water's coming again. Oh. Got wet again, but yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll show you guys this later. No idea what this is. Let me run. Okay, got a nice system going here. Look at this. Water's everything. Look at all this stuff. No idea again what this is, but part of the garden, so gotta show you. Okay, these are all the vegetables right here. These are strawberries. Look, this ground is wet. Oh my god, water's coming again. Yeah, so these are strawberries. There's more strawberries over here. Look at this. And we got bees over here. There are bees. Don't get stung. Look at all this. Moral of the story, they got a lot of stuff here, so yeah. This is actually sick. The system they have, water's coming again. Please. Oh my god. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm really soaked. I don't think I need to take a shower tonight. Not that I was going to anyways, but I'm so funny. Okay, now we're gonna go meet Rhea. The water's coming. Please don't do this. Please. Okay. So now we're gonna go meet Rhea, the dog. Let's go. Actually, here, let me do zoom. Before meeting Rhea, we're gonna show you these flowers. Look at these colors. Colors are so nice. Look at them. Here's a banana tree. Look at this. Then we got plants over here. There's also a banana tree. Bananas don't grow on this, but a banana tree. And over here we have Rhea. She is 13 years old, German Shepherd. I have a picture with her. I'll try to find it. Come here. Oh, see, she's old. Sometimes she stumbles over and hurts herself. Come here. You can't reach her, but she's a cutie. I have a picture with her, and we used to have a pit bull, Rambo, but he passed away. So I'll show you all the pictures with all the goats, and I use a picture with a cat. Look at this. All right, let's go now. Now we got the blueberries. That's all the way you can see. That's all blueberries. Let me just show you. So they've already started picking them. You see, these are still growing. I think this is like the second or third round picking them. Okay, let's get some going. Let's go to see these. Blueberries are so expensive at like actual stores, but like here they're all, you know, nice and fresh and free. So good. It's a tractor, as you can see. I'll show you what they're doing. Hold up. Here we have an ATV. We're going to ride for this too. I mean, on this too. So what he's doing is he's putting this, I don't know what it's called, wood. Yeah, so he's putting this on both sides of the berries plants. Before it looked like that. Now it looks like this. And these are being watered also. They get watered 21 hours a day. As you can see, there's already pipes, and then there's drip water right there. All these spots, they're on for 21 hours a day. So water these berries, because it's so hot, they're being constantly watered. Nice day in the pen. Let's get it going. Let's go on a ride on the ATV. Let me just show you guys this tractor. He loads it from there, and then he puts it on into his thing. So today I picked up these hooks from the ground. So they hold the plants together, but they were on the side, like on the ground like this. And I just had that bucket. I might pick them up. It only took like 30 minutes, but it was really hot, so you know. Yeah, but my cousins, they do a lot of work. My Masi, they all do a lot of work. I don't know how they do it. It's a lot of hard work, so shout out to them. Not everyone can do this, including me. But yeah, time for the ride on ATV. Alright guys, look at this. I'm on a ATV type thing. I think it's an ATV, off-roading vehicle, as you can see, and I'm about to drive it. So let's go. Drive with one hand, so it might be difficult to drive. But yeah, okay, I just reached the dead end. Let me show you. Okay, so I reached this end now after a burst. So I'm just gonna, this is here, gas. Pull forward a little bit. Brake. Now put it into reverse. Just turn the handle and brake again. Reverse. Brake again. I don't want to fall in the ditch. Now move forward and now turn the handle. And now we're going all the way back. Now. Let's go. All this is blueberry. Look at this. This is so sick. Nice. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm looking pretty cute under the sunlight. Yeah, the day's almost over. It's like almost 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. So yeah, now we're gonna just head home, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.